Hi, I'm Josh from AGG Doors, and we do a range of commercial work around Melbourne for things like shutter doors, bifold doors and boom gates. We do things like automation, repairs and emergency services as well. Our technicians do dozens of services a week. This can be things like routine maintenance, end of lease contracts, broken drums, broken cables, things like that, as well as impact damage from forklifts, trucks and those sorts of things. As well as this, we get a lot of motor problems and control boards, as well as gear replacements, so we do the whole range. Our technicians have dozens of years of experience between them, and they are well equipped to deal with any brand, make or model. From ATA to Mirage to Maximum to Grifco, our guys can deal with it all. So if you're after some help with a commercial door, feel free to give us a call.